Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to hide where you're logged in on Instagram, step by step. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 2. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal lines. This will open the menu. Step 3. Now, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in password and security tag and tap on it when it appears. Step 4. From here, scroll down and find the option that says where you're logged in. Tap on it and then select your Instagram account from the list. Step 5. Now you'll see a list of all the devices where your Instagram account is currently logged in. Tap on Select Devices to log out. Then choose the device that you want to remove access from. Step 6. Finally, tap on Log Out at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. You've successfully hidden where you're logged in by logging out of unwanted devices. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.